Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to Life with Stephanie. It's your girl Stephanie, and I'm back with a new video. So as you guys can see by the title of this video, I'm going to be doing a Fashion Nova jean haul, try on haul, and you guys can just see me try on some jeans for tall girl edition, because I'm very tall. I'm like 5'9", 10, 6 foot. I don't know. But the last time I checked my height, I was 5'8", but I believe I got a little bit taller than that. So I feel like I'm 5'9" right now. So you guys, and in Fashion Nova, they have a tall section now. Like, what? When I saw that, right, I was like, y'all playing. You all are playing with me. If I had noticed from so long, I'd have been shopping there like 24/7, because you know, if you tall, you know, it's very hard to find jeans. It's very hard to find some long ass jeans, dog. It's very hard. So we're about to see if this tall section from Fashion Nova is actually for tall girls. So let's get right into the video. Let's try and make a transition. So wait guys, because first I have some shoes. I remember I got some shoes from Fashion Nova. So let me just show that first before we get into it, okay? And y'all, this is the big part we get from Fashion Nova. Like, this is so big. Let's open this up. So guys, these boxes came so beat up. Like, Fashion Nova, really you gonna do me like that? Okay, so the first shoes we got here was, y'all, I wanted these shoes so darn bad. Like, I wanted them so bad, and I finally got them. They're clear shoes. Next shoes we have, I did not order this at all. I did not. I wouldn't even put this on. Like, I did not order this. So that means Fashion Nova did not give me something, because I'm getting used to it now. Every time I order something from Fashion Nova and they send me something else, it's because they didn't have something that I wanted and they send me something else. You guys can't like ask, like, what is this? This is so ugly. I'm so mad. And I got these regular flats because I needed regular flats. Now we're gonna make the transition to the jeans. Guys, so I am too tall to actually like stand up and show you guys the jeans. So I'm gonna just insert the picture. What picture? Insert the video right here of me trying them on, so you guys, because it's like trying on haul. So yeah, but for right now I'm gonna just show you guys the jeans while I'm trying it on over here. Okay, so first off we have these black jeans, and y'all, all my jeans are ripped up. So yeah, I have too many basic jeans, so I needed ripped jeans on tall jeans. So first we have these black distressed jeans, very much given length, and I got it in a size 7 once again. Most of these jeans I got size 7 or 5, because for some of them it didn't have a size 7, so I just went to 5, and a 5 kind of fits me good. So yeah. Next guys, we got these jeans. These are ripped to the rip jeans. Like, these jeans are not playing at all. So they're very much distressed in front, guys, even in the side, bro. Like, what? And in the back, like, yes, very much given. Next, guys, we have these black jeans, e-gain, but these jeans, guys, y'all ain't ready for it. These jeans are so mad. I love them. They're actually sexy, and they have like these sides. Y'all know when I dance and I think I'm like guap 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 guap. And y'all, they're see-through like all through here, and the length is very much there. And yeah, I love these jeans. Like, they're so cute. I love this. Very much love it. So next, guys, we got these maroon jeans, and to me these jeans are sexy. Like, they're sexy. Like, just look, very much distressed. Yup, ripped jeans, and the bottom, I love this style. Like, I love this style in the bottom. So cute. And in the back, very much ripped too. Yeah. Yeah. So next, guys, we got these jeans, and I love these jeans. These are boyfriend jeans, and they're very much plain. Yeah, that's what you think. But in the back, I love this. This is so cute, and I got it in a size 7. This is very much given boyfriend jeans. Next, guys, we got these jeans are like joggers jeans, so I like this. It's cute. Like, look at this. It's so pretty. I love this. So these are the jeans. They look big though. They look so big, but it's supposed to be baggy, so check me out over there. Like, yes girl, get it, sis. Next, guys, we have these white short jeans. Oh, you guys can't even see the distress, but they're kind of ripped also. Yes, pretty nothing in the back, but there's some short jeans, you know. Next, we have our next white pair of jeans. But y'all, when I bought these jeans, I was like, I want somebody to invite me to a white party because these jeans are mad sexy. So they're very much ripped all the way. Yup, very much ripped, and I love this. How you don't call it halter? Oh, I don't know how you to call it, but like how it comes to the bottom, like they're so cute. I love the bottoms. Like, very much a given. Guys, we got 2 more jeans left, and we got these. I think these are plain jeans. So yeah, these are jeans. I got this one in a size 5. Oh, it's ripped. Look, mostly on the ankles. Look at them. These jeans keep falling. You want fight? So these are the jeans. Cute. I love all my jeans. Yeah, like I have so much basic jeans. Like I need a ripped jeans. And last but not least, we got the yellow in the building. This is like yellow orange. I'm not so sure. It's goldish. Like what? This is a bunch of different colors, but I love these jeans. They're cute. They're cute. They're cute. And I got a size 5 in these. I feel like they're very much stretchy, so they're gonna fit me perfecto. So yeah, guys, so that was the last pair of jeans. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications so you guys can be notified every time I post a new video. Okay, stop doing that, come on. So guys, see you guys in the next one.